So first, you make a distribution curve for the three ramps. Okay. So what you have is you make a table. You have a table. Okay. This is what size. Okay. Let's start from the. Let's follow what we have here. Okay, 0.045. Here. Smaller. So you start from the smaller one. Biggest. Or largest. Yeah. Here you, for example, you have 0.045 to 0.063. And then you have 0.063 up to 0.125 and so forth and so on. Okay? What you have is mass in gram, right? You have mass. From this mass, you can calculate the fraction.
Over the total, huh?
Mass fraction. Okay, I will say weight fraction. Okay. You have total here. So this over this is mass total. Let's say this is M1, M2, M3, and so on and so on. So here M1 over M total. Multiply 100%. Do the same. Okay. And then we have what is called cumulative percentage. How to do this? Now I'm giving some number, okay? You know how to do this. Let's say you have 3% here, and then you have 10%, and then you have 19%, then you have 35%, and so on and so on, okay? Let's say you have like this. So the first one, it will be 3%. The second one, 3 plus 10. The last one, the next one will be 32%. Next one will be 67%. Okay? After that, make a plot. This one is 0.045, and then
0.060.
0.125, and so forth and so on. First, plot this versus this. Okay? Make it, let's say you take some number here, might be like this. Just to make, you know bar chart?
Yeah.
Bar chart? It will be like this. Yeah?
Okay.
Use in Excel, bar chart will be like this, for example. Maybe after that, the bar chart.
Y-axis, the total weight.
This is weight percent. Okay. I don't know if you can make it or not, but try your. In Excel, we can have two different Y axes. This one is cumulative.
If we couldn't, could we just put 2 plots? If we didn't know how to do it,
If you don't know, then make 2 plots.
2 plots, okay.
Okay. In cumulative,
Okay.
this versus this.
Yeah.
This one versus this one. This one versus this one. Okay?
It will be increasing.
Yeah, it will be increased, of course. You will see it will be increasing.
Little, yeah.
Point 03, Victor.
Yes.
First one, Victor. Point 03, I got it, Victor.
Why?
The angle, doctor. First one, 3.
لا لا ما يعقل
The commutative.
ثلاثة بعدين اللي بعدها
هذا
ثلاثة زائد 10
distribution.
Doctor, the commutative, is it just a line, curve?
Just line.
Yeah, not a bar.
Not block like
Not
this.
block.
Okay, so then comment on X 67. Sorry, I'll put this is Q. Yeah, this is called Q. This is called P. Q 67%.
0.0, 0.7.
What does it mean? When Q is 67%, I want to know how you read this.
Okay.
Huh? Let's say after you have cumulative, yeah? Cumulative like this. And then you take 67%. Let's say, what does it mean by this? Explain.
Yeah.
Q 67%. Okay?
At this maybe percent, the size is
Mention in the discussion.
yeah, but
What's the meaning of how to read this? I mean, let's say if you take this point, Q is equal to 67%.
Yes.
What's the meaning of that?
Is it like this?
What, like what?
Like,
Mention in the report.
yeah, but I don't know. But I mentioned it.
The
You
size,
have to read again
You
and
mean the
open.
size.
Huh? You have to read and this is your task. After you make the distribution curve, okay. So when you say 70% or 60%
What's the
cumulative, what's the meaning of that?
خلاص بس بجاوب أنا على
the change of
Yeah.
size? Doctor?
What information that you get from
It's
that
recorded.
chart?
I get the size.
It's recorded.
What do you mean by the size?
Size.
Let's say 60%.
Okay.
No, خلاص. I will answer your question then. خلاص. Mention in your report.
It's correct, Doctor.
I don't know. This is one. The second, the angle of repose. Yeah? The second one, angle of repose. Angle of repose. So you have two variation. One is the size. Second is dry and wet. So you compare when the size change, when the size increases, what happened with the angle of repose. And then when you have the same size but dry and wet, what happened with the angle of repose for all
Okay.
sample. Okay? So you have three size, right? So you see when the size increase, how is the angle?
Okay.
Huh? The angle, how does it
And the witness.
increase or decrease? Second, in the at the same size,
Yeah.
this is one. The second one, at the same size,
What's the effect of witness?
from dryness or wetness, yeah. What will be the effect in the angle? And not just say size increases, the angle decreases. Not only
I
like
have
that.
it on video.
But why it is like that? This is what is missing from your report most of the time. The reason behind the result. This is
I
what
have
is
it on
missing
video.
from your report. Just next
It's just
discussion part.
I
Less
can't.
great.
We had the
When you discuss something, please relate the result with the theory.
استنى اسمع جوجي.
Not just mention
استنى اسمع
when the
جوجي.
size increases, the angle decreases. Everybody knows that by reading this,
Don't have anything
we know.
on me.
But why it is like that? That's like a different, high school report with the Jamia.
Yeah.
level. Huh? Okay. High school report, okay. Size increases, angle decreases. Yes, we know. But why it is like that? Why do you get this result? That's the most important in the discussion. Okay? Okay? Yeah, that's all.
That's
Finish
it.
the experiment?